My name is Martin Hruska. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Neuroscience, and I moved here from Philadelphia, where I was at Thomas Jefferson University. I moved here in February 2021, so I'm just starting up my lab. The focus of our lab is to discover how brain circuitry is formed during development and how this circuitry falls apart with diseases like Alzheimer's disease or stroke. For that, we're focusing on the synapses that form on dendritic spines. These are very small structures that are less than 1 micron in diameter. And to study these synapses and study the important biology that happens in these structures, we have to use some very very unique approaches. And one that we undertake is called stimulated emission depletion microscopy, stimulants or STED microscopy. So this microscopy is actually able to break the diffraction barrier of light, and we can look inside of these synapses at subdiffraction resolution on the order of 50 nanometers. And thus we can interrogate pre and postsynaptic protein organization and how this protein, this nanoarchitecture of this protein changes with plasticity and how it's disrupted with diseases like Alzheimer's disease. Okay, so our lab is a growing neuroscience lab right now. We have one technician, Grace, and also 2 undergraduate students, Lindsay, who came from West Liberty University in Wheeling, and she's doing her summer research here, and Victoria, who is a junior at the WVU. They focus on different parts of each one of them has different projects. So, but it all kind of revolves around using a stimulated emission depletion microscopy. We will also be adding a graduate student in the summer, and currently we are looking to add more graduate students to our program to study how synapses are disrupted in Alzheimer's disease, or how the injury like stroke impacts synaptic nanoorganization. So I think our lab has very exciting approaches and ask very exciting questions. And for that, we are looking for highly motivated people who can work independently. But of course, my door is always open, and I like to get involved doing science and provide helping hand.